student, welcome to this video. In the first video of the chapter indices, I have explained all the concept that is required. Now we are going to solve the problem of exercise 8. Problem 1 and 2 I have also done in the previous video. Now I have taken here question 3, 5, 7 and 9, and we have to do all these problems. Let us start to do one by one. Now take the first part of question number 3. Solution of question number 3, first part. The first part is x to the power minus 1 into y to the power minus 1 over x to the power minus 1 plus y to the power minus 1. Now convert this negative index into positive. This will become 1 upon x and this will also become 1 upon y, and in the similar fashion this will be also 1 upon x plus 1 upon y. Now multiply this, we have 1 upon xy over LCM of this x and y becomes xy, multiply this to this and this to this, we have y plus x, y plus x. Now here there are two fractions. We have to divide the first fraction by the second fraction, and now this can be written as 1 upon xy and this will be reversed. This will become xy upon x plus y. This xy and xy will be cancelled out, and here we have 1 upon x plus y. This is the simplified form of the first part of the question number 3. Now we have to do the second part. Second part of question number 3 is 4 into 10 to the power 7 multiplied by 6 into 10 to the power minus 5 upon 8 into 10 to the power 8. Now 4 and 6 can be multiplied. 4 6 ja 24 into this can be written as 10 to the power 7 and this is minus, so this will become minus 5 over this can be written as 8 into 10 to the power 10. Now 24 and 8 out, 8 3 ja 24, this will become 3 into 10 to the power 7 minus 5 2 upon this will become 10 to the power 10. Now when take this into the numerator, this will become minus, this can be written as 3 into 10 to the power 2 and this 10 will become minus 10 here. This will be 3 into 10 to the power minus 8. We can convert it to positive index also. This is answer. Now we will do question number 5. First part, solution of question number 5, first part. The first part is as 8 upon 125 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this 8 and 125, factorize it and then convert it into powers of positive primes. This can be converted into 2 cube over this can be written as 5 cube and raised to the power minus 1 by 3. This can be written as 2 by 5 to the power 3 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this 3 and 3 would be cancelled out. We will have here 2 by 5 to the power minus 1, and if you convert this index into positive 1, this will be revert and this will become 5 by 2 to the power 1, and that need not to be right here. Therefore this is the final answer of first part of question number 5. Let us do the second part of question number 5. The second part is as 0.027 to the power minus 1 by 3. Now first of all, this decimal, remove this decimal and convert it into a fraction. This will becomes, for decimal we have to write 1, 1, 2, 3, there are 3 digits, and for these 3 digits we have to put here 3 0. Now this decimal sign will be removed and we have here significant number 27 and this raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this 27 can be written as, we have to convert this and this into cubic form of some numbers because here is 3. Therefore this can be written as 3 to the power 3 over, this can be written as 10 to the power 3 and raised to the power minus 1 by 3. Now this again can be written as 3 by 10 to the power 3 and raised power minus 1 by 3. A to the power m, b to the power m, a to the power m upon b to the power m. This can be written as a by b to the power m. So 3 to the power 3, 10 to the power 3 can be written as 3 by 10 to the power 3. Now this 3 and 3 would be cancelled out. We are left here 3 by 10 to the power minus 1, and when we make this positive index, this will become 10 by 3 to the power 1, and power 1 need not to write here. Therefore now student, let us move further and we will do question number 7. First part is question number 7. First part is 27 to the power 2n by 3 into 8 to the power minus n by 6 minus n by 6 over 18 to the power minus n by 2. 18 to the power minus n by 2. First of all, we have to factorize this, and this also. Now in a most convenient suitable form that is needed, we can write it as 3 to the power 3 to the power 2n by 3 into, this can be written as 2 to the power 3 to the power minus n by 6 over 18, 2 into 9, and 9 can be written as 3 square. Therefore this 18 becomes 3 into 2 into 3 square to the power minus n by 2. This 3 and 3 would be cancelled out. Now divide this 6 by 3, we have here 2. So we have 3 to the power 2n multiplied by 2 to the power minus n by 2 over this minus n by 2 raised power to the power 2, and this to the power this Now this can be written as 2 to the power minus n by 2 and 3 to the power 2 into minus n by 2. This 2 and 2 would be cancelled out. Now 2 to the power minus n by 2 and 2 to the power minus n by 2 both are same things, and therefore these will be cancelled out to each other. Here we are left 3 to the power 2n and 3 to the power minus n. Now take to the numerator this one, we have 3 to the power 2n and this will become plus n. Now this will become 3 to the power 3n, 3 to the power 3n, and this again can be written as 3 to the power 3 to the power n, a to the power m to the power n, like formula. 3 to the power 3, 3 into 3 into 3, this will become 27, and to the power n, this is final answer. Now let us do second part of question number 7. This is 5 into 25 to the power n plus 1 minus 25 into 5 to the power 2n over 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 25 to the power n plus 1. Now convert this into square of 5. This will become 5 into 5 square to the power n plus 1 minus, this can be also written as 5 square into 5 to the power 2n over 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus 5 square to the power n plus 1. Now this is a to the power m to the power n, so this power will be multiplied to this. Here this power also multiplied to this, and this is as a to the power m, a to the power n, base are same. After multiplying, power will be added. So this can be written as 5 into 5. If 2 multiply this, 2n plus 2, this will become 2n plus 2 minus, this will become 5 to the power 2 plus 2n over, this can be written as 5 into 5 to the power 2n plus 3 minus, this 2 would be multiplied to this, and therefore this become 5 into 2n plus 2, 2n plus 2. Now further we have here power 1, here also power 1. Now after multiplying these two, power will be added and converted it into a single exponent. This will become 5 to the power, this can be written as 5 to the power 2n, and if you add this 2n plus 3 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2 upon 5 to the power 2n plus 4 minus 5 to the power 2n plus 2. Now if you break this, this will be 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n and 5 to the power 2n. So this can be written as 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 3 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 square over 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2n into 5 to the power 2. Now what we are saying here, 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n can be taken common here, and 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n can be taken common in the denominator. So take it common 5 to the power 2n from the numerator. We have 5 cube minus 5 square over, taking 5 to the power 2n common, 5 to the power 2n, and here we are left with 5 to the power 4 minus 5 to the power 2. Now this 5 to the power 2n, 5 to the power 2n can be cancelled out, and we have left 5 cube minus 5 to the power 2 over 5 to the power 4 minus 5 square. Now this 5 square can also be taken as common, and this will become 5 square 5 minus 1 over 5 square minus 1. Now this and this again cancelled out. Here we have 4, and this will become 5 square 25 minus 1 24, and after simplifying this, 4 1 ja 4, 4 6 ja 24, this will become 1 by 6. This is final answer of second part of question number 7. Now we are going to do question number 9. So the solution, question number 9 is, first part is as 3x square to the power minus 3 multiplied by x to the power 9 to the power 2 by 3, x to the power 9 to the power 2 by 3. Now this can be written as, it is very simple question, this can be written as 3 to the power minus 3 and x to the power 2 3 is 6 minus 6 into x to the power 9 to the power 2 by 3. 3 3 is 9, this will be cancelled out. This will become 3 to the power minus 3 into x to the power minus 6 into x 3 3 is 9, x to the power 3, 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 3 3 is 9, okay sir. 3 3 is 9 and 3 2 is 6. So this will be 3 into 2. Now this can be written as 3 to the power minus 3 into x to the power minus 6 into, this will become x to the power plus 6, and if you multiply these two, this will become 3 to the power minus 3. Base are same, power would be added, and therefore this become minus 6 plus 6. This will be cancelled out, become 0, and 3 to the power minus 3 into x to the power 0. Now this can be written as 3 to the power minus 3 can be written as a positive index 1 by 3 to the power 3 and x to the power 0 equal to 1, and this become 1 upon 27. Now we have to do the second part of question number 9. तो solution of second part of question number 9. Now write this question as 8x to the power 4 to the power 1 by 3 divide by x to the power 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 8 x to the power 4 by 3 divided by x to the power 1 by 3. Now this can be written as 8 into x to the power 4 by 3. Base are same, power would be subtracted. If you divide this by this, then we have 8 into x to the power 4 by 3 minus 1 by 3, and this can be written as 8 into x to the power, here denominator are same, so numerator will be can be subtracted. This will be 4 minus 1 upon 3, this is power over x, and this can be written as 8 into x to the power 3 by 3. This will be cancelled out. Here we have 8x. This is final answer of second part of question number 9. Okay student, now we have to do question number 10. I have taken its first part. This is 3 to the power 2 to the power 0, and power 0 equal to 1. Therefore this will become 1 plus 3 to the power minus 4 and 3 to the power 6. Base are same, and if you multiply this, this will become 3 to the power minus 4 plus 6 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2. Now this can be written as 1 plus this 6 minus 4 would be, this will be 3 to the power 2 plus, take 1 by 3 is negative as a negative index, this can be written as 3 to the power minus 1 to the power minus 2, and this can be written as 1 plus 3 square plus minus minus become plus 3 square. This can be written as 1 plus 3 square 9, and this 3 square is also 9, and this will become 9 9 18 or 1 19. Okay student, rest of problem of this exercise 8 we will discuss in the next video.